Let's talk about fireworks. Fireworks brightly light up the dark night sky. They suddenly explode with a very loud bang. Bright sparks shoot high up into the air. Fireworks come in many beautiful, bright colors. Some fireworks make a perfect round shape. Others slowly fall down like sparkling rain. Sparklers are small, gentle fireworks you can hold. Children love holding sparklers tightly in their hands. Fireworks festivals happen every summer all across Japan. Crowds gather early to find a really good spot. People often wear traditional yukata to watch the show. Families sit closely together on a large blanket. Food stalls sell tasty snacks near the show. Everyone looks up and waits very patiently. A loud boom suddenly echoes across the sky. Each firework tells a small, beautiful story of light. The grand finale has the biggest fireworks of all. Many fireworks explode together at the very end. The smoke slowly drifts away after the whole show. Fireworks shows can last 30 minutes or even more. Some shows use lovely music with the fireworks. The colorful lights reflect gently on the water below. People clap and cheer loudly after each big burst. Fireworks bring people together for one magical night. The night sky slowly returns to quiet darkness. Fireworks create truly unforgettable summer memories.